Good day, ma'am, and to all our classmates. I am the one of the reporter to report the HIV AIDS worker in the workplace diversity. So before that, what is the HIV and the AIDS? So HIV is a human immune system virus, and also the AIDS is a cure immunodiversity syndromes. So what is HIV? HIV is from the monkey. Gikan na sila sa unggoy, which is variant of the unggoy of chimpanzee, and because of that, is a virus that can be need na tambalan, but that will never have a cure na virus na HIV. Then what is an AIDS? So AIDS is pag malala na jud ang HIV, which is from 20 years. Pag wala pa siya naayo ang HIV, it will become a AIDS na siya because they have it 20 years ago naka-HIV siya, mga 15 years natawag na siya AIDS kung di pa siya maayo, and possible na mamatay siya. And then this is the syndrome sa ana to makuha o dili na to makuha ang HIV. So dili siya transferred to the teaspoon na itong ginagamit, mga utensils na itong ginagamit. Also, dili siya makuha ang HIV sa mga insect like lamok. Sa pagkising nyo, dili na makuha sa sanina, also sa CR. But makuha na siya sa dugo. Then also, sa kaning bird, kanang mabuntis ang isa ka tao, pwede na siya matransfer sa baby. Also sa pagtransfer sa inyong mga organ and without using a condom. So, kung saan na to pag-prevent ang HIV? So, by using the ABCD. A, transfer sa absent from sexual sex. So, absent sa sexual, di kayo nag-sex sila. And also B, faithful. Be faithful, dapat naatay ka ng responsibility, kabulutan mo kuan sa kung kinsa lang yun tong contact. And also 1:1. You need to stay the one. Yan. And then also C, condom use. Dapat kung magkuan ka sa laing tao or sa kuan mag-contact mo, dapat mag-use mo condom para maiwasan po nato na mo-transfer ang HIV. If nanay disease or more na siya ibati or feel ni mo na mo niya, dapat magpa-check up ta ka for disease early para matambalan siya o dali na siya maayo dayon. That's all. Thank you.
So this is my report. I'm Jimar Calibara. Now we will proceed to our report. HIV is and workplace stigmatization. HIV AIDS workplace stigmatization refers to the discrimination and negative attitudes that individuals living with HIV AIDS may face in the workplace. Stigmatization can manifest in various ways, such as inclusion, gossip, harassment, or refusal of employment or promotion opportunities. Stigmatization can have a significant negative effect on well-being and mental health of individuals living with HIV AIDS and may also discourage them from seeking necessary medical care and support. So we all know that HIV, AIDS ay nakakahawang sakit. Ito po ay delikado at ito po ay wala pa ring lunas na mga gamot, pero merong gamot na nagpapahaba ng iyong buhay, pero hindi yung gamot na nawawala yung HIV. So next is recognition of HIV/AIDS as a workplace issue. Employers should acknowledge that HIV/AIDS affects the workplace and develop strategies to address it. This includes understanding the impact of HIV/AIDS on employees and the organization. And next is non-discrimination on the basis of HIV status. Employers should ensure that there is no discrimination against employees based on their real or perceived HIV status. This includes fair treatment in hiring, promotion, and other employment-related decisions. Gender equality. Gender equality should be a key consideration in the workplace response to HIV/AIDS. This includes addressing the specific vulnerabilities and needs of women, as well as promoting gender equality in all aspects of the workplace. A healthy work environment. Employers should strive to create a healthy work environment for all employees, including those living with HIV/AIDS. This includes providing a supportive and inclusive workplace culture, promoting employee well-being, and addressing any stigma or discrimination. Social dialogue. It is important to involve all stakeholders, including employees, management, and relevant stakeholders in developing and implementing a workplace strategy for HIV/AIDS. Social dialogue ensures that the perspectives and needs of all concerned parties are taken into account. Confidentiality. Employers should ensure the confidentiality of HIV-related personal information. This includes implementing policies and procedures to protect the privacy and confidentiality of employees' HIV status and health information. Continuation of employment relationship. Employers should strive to maintain the employment relationship with employees living with HIV/AIDS. This includes providing reasonable accommodations such as flexible work arrangement or adjustments to job responsibilities to support employees in managing their health condition. And next is prevention strategies. Employers should implement prevention strategies in the workplace to reduce the risk of HIV transmission. These include promoting safe practices, providing access to HIV testing and counseling, and offering education and awareness programs. And next is care and support. Employers should provide care and support for employees living with HIV/AIDS, and this includes access to health care services, counseling, and support programs to help employees manage their health condition and maintain their well-being. And that's all.
Good morning, everyone. I am Trixie Jean Baco, and this is the continuation of our report, which is the development of a workplace policy on HIV and ability to be hired with HIV. We all know that HIV is very known nowadays, and we know that HIV is very alarming. So, in development of a workplace policy on HIV, a workplace policy should provide a framework for action to reduce the spread of HIV and AIDS and manage impact. It defines an institution positive on HIV and AIDS, and the outline activities for preventing transmission of the virus and providing care and treatment for this staff. So the policy will recognize HIV or AIDS as a workplace issue while supporting non-discrimination, gender equality, and offering care and support. So, in developing a workplace policy on HIV, it is crucial for creating a supportive and non-discriminatory environment, such as a policy serve as a framework for action to reduce the spread of HIV and manage its impact within the workplace. It should clearly define that the organization stands on HIV or AIDS and outline comprehensive proposals include activity for preventing transmission of the virus as well as providing care and treatment for affected staff members. So, dapat jud na adyo policy para ma-reduce ang spread ng HIV or AIDS sa isa ka workplace. Next is the ability to be hired with HIV or AIDS. So, regarding sa pag-hiring sa isa ka individual na HIV, it is important to note that discriminatory and empowerment based on HIV status is prohibited. So, according sa National Association of Social Worker, the employee cannot refuse to hire qualified individual due to concern that they might become ill in the future. So, this stance is supported by various law and guidelines that aim to protect the rights of worker living with HIV or AIDS. So, sa no bias na jud siya sa recruitment process palang daan o sa selection process, dapat no bias na jud. So, in summary, a workplace policy on HIV should be aligned with a national law and international standard, and it should promote a safe, fair, and supportive working environment for all employees regarding of this HIV status. That's all. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Queen Ruby Siman Langit and I am going to continue the report of Miss Trexie. Recording HIV status in employee. Anti-Discrimination Association or ADA requires that medical information be kept confidential. The information must be kept apart from general personnel file as separate. Confidential medical records available only under limited conditions. The employer must keep the medical records of those HIV positive employees confidential. Dili siya pwede itabi or ikalat-kalat sa employers ang medical records sa ilahang HIV positive na staff or applicants. Maong confidential siya aron maiwasan ang discrimination. Kay when it comes to HIV man good nga sakit, daghan og kanang misinformation, like kaparehaan ng mingon ng uban na, huy, ayaw pag-uban anak niya kay HIV positive na siya, basin matakdan ka kung mag-uban-uban ka sa iya ha. So, dili man good ka, ang HIV man good is sexually transmitted na siya. Matransmit na siya through sex, dili kay matransmit siya kay nakiguban ka niya, matakdan dayon ka. So, dili na siya ingon ana. Employers' request about an applicant's or employee's HIV status. HIV positive status alone without some complications can almost never be a basis for a refusal to hire after a post-offer medical examination. An employer may make a job offer conditional on satisfactory result of a post-offer medical examination or inquiry if this is required of all new employees in the same job category. Ang employers is mangayon na sila og medical certificate sa ilahang applicants. If an applicants have an HIV status, dili na siya hindrance para dili siya dawaton sa trabaho. Dili dapat na i-reason sa employer nga ang iyahang sakit or iyahang medical status sa ilahang applicants aron dili na noon sila i-hire. Dapat magtan-aw gyapon sila sa skills and abilities sa ilahang applicants aron maiwasan ang discrimination and to ensure diversity sa usa ka workplace. Employers' provision of health insurance to an employees with HIV or AIDS. ADA prohibits employers from discriminating on the basis of disability in the provisions of health insurance to the employees and or from entering into contracts with health insurance companies that discriminate on basis of disability. Insurance distinctions that are not based on disability and are applied equally to all insured employees do not violate the ADA. The employers will give the HIV-positive employee 6 months provision if kaya ba jud niya ang trabaho, murag itest pa jud sila. After that, pag ma-hire na siya, naa jud dapat siya makuha na benefits from the company. Employers must provide health insurance that covered HIV for their employees because it's the right thing to do and often a legal requirement. Makahelp na siya sa employees to get the necessary treatments and care without worrying about the cost. And it is also required by the laws like the Americans with Disabilities Act or ADA. This ensures ng HIV employers or daily HIV positive na employees are treated fairly and have access to the same benefits as everyone else. This promote an inclusive workplace or inclusive environment.